Okay, what we're going to do is quickly go over a very short video just to show you if people are interested in doing this sort of video. Very easy to do. I will leave a PDF for you to click a link on, and then you just load it into ChatGPT and it'll give you the way to do it. As you can see, they're very popular, these at the moment.
It's dangerous. Put the food in me. Instant slow feeder.
Little health tips.
I'm a baby pool. Dog overheat.
Basically called life hacks. They're all over the internet. We've got some on Instagram here. I've got, how many views has this guy got? He's got 3.4 million views. Bloody hell, that's a lot, isn't it? So you see, they're quite popular. Not so popular on TikTok, but if you feel like you want to make these sort of videos, I will leave this document, this PDF here, and basically put it into ChatGPT. Just copy it all, or just use it all whichever way you want. Basically, I'll ask ChatGPT a question, and then it will spit out some answers, and then you can just keep on going until you're happy with the format. Once you've got the format, you simply go to, so when you've done it, I do mine in Claude because you get a better quality, but you can do it in any chat generator. It'll give you some prompts like this. The first thing you need to do, it comes in pairs, so it gives you an image prompt. You just take your image prompt, go to whichever service provider you want. I've got Veo free, so I just do it Veo free because it's Nano Pro and it's free. So you go to Nano Pro, click down here, create an image, put your prompt in, paste it, bosh, and it gives you 2 images, and it's free in Nano if you've got Gemini paid account, and I think you get a certain many free as well for a certain price. Then once you've done that, you get your image. I'll just go quickly through it. Yep, just generating, won't be long now. And you'll get some images like that, and you just pick the best one for. I've got it in the wrong thing. It should be in 19 by 16 for TikToks and stuff, and you see it's messed up, but it still works because you still got the image there. So we'll just click an image, add to prompt. That will add to your prompt there. Make sure you go back to frames, go back to your brief. You got your video prompt, pop it in there, go back to flow, put that in there. We don't want 2, do we? How was it generating here? 2. Yeah, want to save credits, we're just going to do 1 because it's 20 whatever the credits to use it. You can use it on higher quality, so if you go there, it's 100 credits, and it ain't much better. So for this sort of stuff, you might as well just do the 20 credits. Then we just simply generate it and wait for the outcome. I'll come back to and show you the outcome. So here we've got the generation. I'll quickly play it, see what it's like.
I try my best every night, but I can't break through sunscreen and makeup alone.
There you go. So you've got the idea. That's how you do it. So like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment. If you leave a comment, well, you don't have to leave a comment because I'm going to leave the connection for the PDF there, which was this PDF. So then you can just pop it in yourself, get the information out of ChatGPT, or put it into Claude. Claude's your better option, but I know some people don't have a paid account for Claude, but it works on either or. It's got quite a lot of detail there for you. And then if you're not happy with the turnout of it, just keep asking it to do it better. Say, I want it times 10. Then once you've done that, say, I want it even better times 10, and you will get better and better and better until you get exceptionally good prompts. Thank you for watching. See you next time.